Most rocket launches don't fail in the air. They fail before they even start. Weather is one of the biggest risks. Wind, lightning, and cloud conditions must stay within strict limits. If a limit is exceeded, the launch is scrubbed. But even with good conditions, there are still critical moments. During the first 2 minutes, the solid boosters provide most of the thrust. If a serious problem happens during launch or ascent, Orion's launch abort system can pull the crew away in milliseconds. After booster separation, the core stage must continue performing as planned. That is why many launches are delayed, not because something already failed, but because the risk is too high. For more of the latest space updates, follow Tamiro.